Skill up now, skill up now, skill up now, my guy. Chop this hot opportunity with Iceman-Tech. Become oga for ice block machine business. My guy, you wan shine with better skill wey go dey fetch you steady cash? No dull o. Join our 2-week super intensive ice block machine technician training by Iceman-Tech and turn your life around sharp sharp. This na your golden opportunity to become certified technician for ice block machine and cooling system. You no get as e easy be o. Wetin you go learn for this ogbonge training? Number 1, how to build and maintain ice block machine like a correct professional wey you be o. Number 2, how to repair fridge and AC without any wahala. You go dey fix am smoothly. Number 3, how to diagnose and service compressors wey dey inside cooling system like an expert wey you go be. Number 4, ogbonge secrets to become the baddest ice block producer for your state o. Number 5, professional welding skills so you fit construct ice block machine with your own hand. My brother, no dulling, no shaking o, no dull o. Number 6 na bonus o. We go offer you business tips to grow your own ice block empire and make big money o. My oga, my madam, training details no be joke o. The fee na only 50,000 naira, small money for skill wey go change your life forever o. Duration na 2 weeks of pure hand on practical training wey go make you sabi pass anybody. Venue na Iceman-Tech production factory wey dey for Niagara River State, the headquarter of cooling system. Accommodation na free. Oga, abeg, you go handle your job by yourself o. Participation, my oga, you get show your face for practical session because this training na practical. Oga, no be Zoom meet we dey run o. Wetin you go carry go house after this training? Number 1, certificate of completion wey go make people respect your hustle o. Number 2, membership into Iceman-Tech technician group. Connect with other big boys and girls in the game. Number 3, direct link up with Iceman-Tech machines owners for juicy job opportunity over your state o. Free starter guide to help you kick off your career like a rocket, my brother. And then lastly, mentorship access to oga technician for any question wey go dey worry you in the future o. So no waste time, no dullings. Go register now. Who fit join this sweet ogbonge training? Anybody wey don reach 18 years and above o. Whether you be beginner or you don dey do small for cooling system, this training go carry you go next level o. If you wan start ice block business, repair fridge or become fabricator master, this na for you. No waste time o. No waste time o. Now, when you go fit join this training? This no be just training o, e be life changer. You go become the first certified ice block machine fabricator for your state and your area. Imagine the respect and money wey go follow. Oga, no waste time. Be the first. You fit work for big companies o, start your own business o, or even train others sef. Naija no dey sleep on money o. The offer dey limited o. Na only 10 person we dey collect per state. No let this opportunity pass you by never light o. So secure your slot now before e full o, so you go become full technician o. Now, how you go take register for this ogbonge training? Use the link wey dey for the screen, go register. Pay your 50,000 naira, e too cheap for wetin you go learn, and upload your payment slip to lock your space. Once you register, we go send you welcome package with all the details to prepare you ahead o. No dull yourself. This na your time to learn better skill, make correct money and stand tall as your own boss. Iceman-Tech dey here to freeze poverty and make you shine like ice block under sun. Be skilled, be in demand, be the oga of your own destiny o. Iceman-Tech, cooling poverty one skill at a time.